Did you know yawning can make you smarter? Forget caffeine, your brain has a natural hack to boost alertness and focus: yawning. This simple act cools down your brain, which is crucial for maintaining mental efficiency. When your brain overheats, it can slow down, making you feel tired and less focused. But by yawning, you're essentially giving your brain a refreshing breeze, enhancing your cognitive functions. So next time you're in a long meeting or a study session and feel your concentration slipping, try a good yawn to kickstart your brain's performance. It's like a mini mental reset button, all without a single sip of coffee. Embrace the power of a yawn and unlock a smarter, more focused you.